Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English with me. I'm Tom. And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today. This podcast is for beginners. If you are learning English at A1 or A2 level, you are in the right place. Yes, today's topic is simple sentences you use every day. No difficult grammar, no long words. Just real English. English you can use today. Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please like this podcast, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. All right, take a deep breath. Relax. You're doing great already. Simple daily sentences. Topic 1. Morning sentences. Let's start with the morning. Yes. Simple sentence number 1. I wake up at 7 a.m. Listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good job. Now you try. You can change the time. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. or I wake up late. Very common sentence. Topic 2. Breakfast and morning routine. Next sentence. I brush my teeth. Listen again. I brush my teeth. Great. Another one. I take a shower. Now a real example. I take a quick shower. Nice sentence. Very natural. Now, breakfast. Simple and real. I eat breakfast. Example sentence. My quick breakfast is a banana. Listen again. My quick breakfast is a banana. Perfect sentence for daily life. Topic 3. Going out and work/study. Now let's talk about going out. Sentence number 1. I go to work or I go to school. Listen again. I go to work. I go to school. You can also say, I work from home. Very useful sentence today. Topic 4. Talking about feelings. Now, let's talk about feelings. Very simple sentence. I feel good. Listen again. I feel good. Other examples. I feel tired. I feel happy. These are real sentences. People use them every day. Good job if you are repeating with us. Topic 5. Daily activities. Let's continue. Sentence. I check my phone. Again, I check my phone. Another common one. I watch YouTube. Yes, very real English. Topic 6. Evening and night. Now let's move to the evening. Simple sentence. I eat dinner. Listen again. I eat dinner. Another one. I relax at home. Nice and calm sentence. At night, we say, I go to bed. Again, I go to bed. Mini practice. Short conversation. Now, let's do a small conversation. Listen first. Hi, David. How are you? I'm good. I feel a little tired. Why? I wake up early. I go to work. Now, listen again and repeat if you can. You're doing great. Even listening is learning. Daily English practice. Part 1. Waking up and morning. Okay, let's start practicing English. Simple sentences. You can listen first. Yes. Then repeat with us. Sentence 1. I wake up at 7 a.m. Listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m. Now you try. Good job. You can change the time. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up late. Very natural sentences. Next sentence. I get out of bed. Again, I get out of bed. Nice. Now listen to a small example. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. Simple, but real English. Part 2. Bathroom and breakfast. Now, bathroom sentences. Sentence 1. I brush my teeth. Again, I brush my teeth. Another one. I take a shower. Listen again. I take a shower. Now, breakfast. I eat breakfast. Example sentence. My quick breakfast is a banana. Listen again. My quick breakfast is a banana. Very good sentence for daily life. Part 3. Leaving home. Now let's talk about going out. Sentence 1. I leave home. Again, I leave home. More examples. I go to work. I go to school. Listen again. I go to work. I go to school. Good job if you are repeating. Part 4. Work and study. Now work sentences. I start work at 9. Again, I start work at 9. Another useful one. I work from home. Very common sentence today. Listen to this example. I work from home. I start work at 9. Part 5. Feelings and energy. Now, feelings. Very important. Sentence 1. I feel good. Again, I feel good. More examples. I feel tired. I feel happy. These are real sentences. People use them every day. Good job if you are repeating with us. Topic 6. Phone and daily habits. Now, daily habits. I check my phone. Again, I check my phone. Another one, I watch YouTube. Very honest English. Example, I check my phone. I watch YouTube. Part 7. Lunch and afternoon. Now, afternoon sentences. I eat lunch. Again, I eat lunch. More examples. I take a break. I drink water. Listen again. I take a break. Part 8. Small daily conversations. Now a short conversation. Listen first. Hi, David. How are you? I'm good. I feel a little tired. Why? I wake up early. I go to work. Now listen again and repeat if you can. Great job. Even listening is progress. Part 9. Evening and night. Now evening sentences. I come home. Again, I come home. Dinner sentence. I eat dinner. Relaxing sentence. I relax at home. Night sentence. I go to bed. Again, I go to bed. Part 10. Full day practice. Now listen to a full day in English. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I feel tired. I come home. I eat dinner. I relax at home. I go to bed. Listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I feel tired. I come home. I eat dinner. I relax at home. I go to bed. Very good. This is real English.
Wrap up, recap, and community question.
All right, let's review today's sentences. We learned, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. My quick breakfast is a banana. I go to work. I feel tired. I go to bed. These are simple sentences, but very powerful. You can use them every day. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English. And you are improving already. Now, our community question. Both smiling. These are simple sentences. What time do you wake up? Tell us in the comments. Write one simple sentence. We read your comments. We learn together. Let's review some key sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. My quick breakfast is a banana. I go to work. I feel tired. I go to bed. You can use these every day. You don't need big words. You need simple, clear English. and you are improving already. Now tell us in the comments. What time do you wake up? Write one simple sentence. We're happy to practice with you. Both. See you next time. Keep practicing.